Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather Gearhart, and if you are new here, thanks for stopping by, and if you're not new here, thanks for coming back. I post videos every Tuesday and Thursday all about life, food, family, and fun, and I'm actually downstairs today, not in my studio room, because we're gonna head into the kitchen and try some keto brownie mix. There's my oven right now. We're gonna try some keto brownie mix and see if it's any good. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, and let's do this. You guys, we are going to try out a new brownie mix that is keto, and we're going to see if it is going to make our lives on keto just a little bit easier and if these taste good. So let's head on into the kitchen and see if these things are not only easy but delicious. Plus, I think I'm going to add some chocolate chips to it because why not? Yes. Okay, here is the brownie mix. It is Keto and Co Keto Fudge Brownie Baking Mix. 1 carb per serving, gluten-free, non-GMO, diabetic-friendly, keto-friendly, 94% less sugar than leading brands, makes 16 servings, and is supposed to look like that, which is awesome. And all you need is this mix, 3 beaten eggs, some melted butter, and an 8x8 pan in an oven. Now, I'm gonna be adding some Lily's dark chocolate chips because, well, do I even need to explain? Yes, we're adding those. All right, let's get started. Okay, so it says to use an 8x8 pan and to grease it. It also requires 6 ounces of melted butter. That's 1.5 sticks. So what I have done is melted 2 sticks. Then I'm gonna use some of it to grease this pan, and then we'll just pour the rest of it in the bowl because, you know, a little bit of extra butter can't be wrong, right? So I'm just gonna take a paper towel, dip it in the butter, and I'm gonna grease this thing with the excess butter. You can use, you know, whatever, but the spray and all that, but I just have this, so that's what we're doing. Okay, and it says to just pour the batter in. In the meantime, you've got your oven at 350. All right, so the mix is in. It says to add the melted butter. Just adding it all, and I had a little clump of not melted butter. Okay, we're gonna mix this around just like regular brownie mix, just like that until it's incorporated. Okay, and then it says to add in your 3 beaten eggs, and we're gonna mix that in. By the way, this is my new fitness tracker. It's not a medical bracelet. I have not escaped from an insane asylum. All right, that's looking pretty good. Okay, then off script, we are going to use some Lily's chocolate chips. I'll have a link in the description box to get this off Amazon, but you can also find them at like Sprouts and Whole Foods, things like that. But we're just gonna put in about 1/2 cup. And use this and mix it around. Then we're gonna pour it into our 8x8 pan and cook it for 30 to 35 minutes at 350. And then I'll meet you back here. It is done, and we have to let it cool completely before we cut it. So we will do the taste testing shortly. See you in a few. What do you think? It's what? Was that English?
Amazing.
Oh, that's not what that sounded like. And you?
Squishy.
Squishy.
Is that a good thing?
You mean fudgy? Yeah, let's go with that.
Is that a word? Is fudgy a word? Yeah. Chocolatey?
Would you eat another one?
Yes.
Okay, it's the next day, and I actually forgot to film the outro last night and the conclusion, but it's so beautiful outside. I'm just enjoying the outdoors here in May. But anyway, the brownies were excellent. They are very dark chocolate, so it's more of a dark fudge chocolate for sure. And it did have a little bit of that cooling effect, but that might have been from the chocolate chips. I'm not sure. So you do get a little bit of that. But for a store-bought keto fudge brownie that all you have to do is add a couple ingredients just like a regular brownie mix. This was a winner. So I hope that you will try this out. I'll have it linked in the description box below, and I hope that you have found this video informative and helpful, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up, and otherwise I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.